It has legs. Each one of its legs have been put in. It can also play a tune. You can see now what it does. Now, can get a real slant on. Basically the BL Touch will go into 3 spots and then level it relative to the gantry, basically eliminating my fumble fingers from having to adjust the bed to level. Technically you could do software compensation as well, so that even if the thing isn't level you can do a bed mesh yeah. Fancy! Still got a little bit of wobble to figure out in this one. Not so good, but we'll get there.